So last night, Remy found that he really likes looking out the window. So that was something we did right before we went to bed last night. And as we were closing the curtains, had them closed so we didn't want to see any light trying to go to sleep, he kept opening them. It was so precious. He finally went to sleep, but he doesn't really do good with curtains. He keeps getting stuck in them. See, I don't understand it. I don't understand. He's gonna have a good day watching people and taking naps. This is incredible. Super early. We're probably not that early. There's probably tons of people here, but it's dark. It feels like we're super early. And there's no one in the parking lot. And we just parked right there. Never do that. And we're right here at the entrance. Started our morning here at Animal Kingdom getting things done. We rope drop Flight of Passage and Navi River Journey, and now the park has officially been open for 48 minutes, and that was super fun. My sister experiencing Pandora, experiencing those rides for the very first time, she loved them. It was really cool. Did you love that more than yesterday? Rise? She loved Rise. Yesterday we rode it twice in a row, but she said that Flight of Passage was very close to Rise in her opinion. She's never done either one of those rides, and she's never done either one of those lands, so it's like a really cool, fun thing to experience, for us to experience, people experiencing those things for the first time. So that's kind of what this trip is going to be like, at least our park days, because we're going to be doing it based off of what she wants to do and how she wants to accomplish the day. We're doing a lot of the attractions and things that normally we would not always do, so she can experience them. So it's kind of like going to the park for the first time, or for the first time in a very long time, and experiencing it through her eyes. So that's really cool. But now it is time to get coffee and maybe a little snack. We came to Kitsa Ferry just to try the coconut coffee, for me to try the coconut coffee. We got a little bit of light breakfast as well. Let's try this. Oh my gosh.
Good.
It's a vacation. It's like a vacation drink and a coffee.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Ready? Didn't do it, but me and my sister, we rode dinosaur for one last time. Probably the next time we're here, it's not going to be here anymore. It's going to be completely extinct. So fun. We actually sat next to a boy, little bitty boy. It was his first time ever, so I thought that was really cool because it's probably his first and last. That is such a cute hat. Look how cute!
We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely.
There are no lights or about right. Kevin may wander away at any time. Just turn around and stop us. At the same time as everyone else, friends, the more people in your pictures, the more friends you have, which is incredible. And brag about it. Right there's perfect house.
He's just like laughing, isn't he? Or is that birds? That's the birds. I thought that was him.
And Congoloosh. Fun to say and drink.
Yeah, thank
Fun
you.
to say
You're
and
welcome.
drink, yes. So for drinks, my sister got a Lily Gorilli, which is basically a non-alcoholic strawberry and Sprite drink. And then Wade got the Congoloosh. We got that last time and it was really good. You can only get it here at Disney World. I ended up getting the non-alcoholic version of the Zing. It's called the Fizzy, and our waiter said that he could not pronounce the first word, so we're not going to try that.
Person with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more. This is Charlotte, and she is a cootie pig.
Well, is that her tongue?
Yeah. She's missing her bottom teeth.
Oh,
Hair is really coarse.
really?
Coonies live in the rivers and the brush areas of New Zealand.
I don't want you to pet
That is such a dog
He
move, for real.
wants toe scratches.
Toe
Not
scratches.
supposed to get toe scratches out here. Sir, because you're gonna start hitting people.
Aww. That is so
Like, I don't want a
sweet.
hoof in my leg. Thank you very much, sir.
Look at that
Like, fine, I will settle with booty
tail.
scratches. Booty scratches all day long.
Yeah, look at that. Absolutely not. Face.
Oh, you sure can. It looks so cute.
Cute. You just said that snake is cute.
It's cuter than the one that's over there.
Oh my gosh, let's go look at that one. Oh my god.
Why are you backing
That
up?
thing is huge.
Yeah, wait till you see this ape on focus.
Oh no. There is too many snakes in this place.
Disney's animals.
That is such a good duck. Had a very long, fun, eventful day. I am melting over here. It's a very humid day, and we're walking back to the car. We got basically everything that we wanted to do done. Don't really do the shows. The safari wasn't really something we wanted to do. My sister didn't really want to do it. We did it twice on our last trip, but we got so many things done. We had so much fun. We spent a lot of time at Nomad Lounge, and my sister ended up getting 3 of those strawberry Sprites. So they were really good. So I actually ended up getting one as well. It was a really good combination with my drink and her drink. So I just just kind of like went back and forth between the two that I got. Chicken nuggets were a little dry. I've seen so many people talk about how good the chicken nuggets are to recommend, like they've recommended the chicken nuggets, the kids meal chicken nuggets. As a whole, it was a really good meal, decently cheap, and a really fun experience. Just a nice chill vibe when you go to Nomad Lounge, and I like it, especially when it's so hot and humid. And the parks decently got busy today, but we got so lucky with the things that we did. Didn't really have very long waits, just had a really good time. But we are going back to the resort and leaving Animal Kingdom, gonna go hang out with our dog and just do some resort things. This is where we're gonna end this video. We actually have some fun stuff we're gonna do tonight, hopping around some resorts, doing a monorail crawl with some food and drinks. So you'll have to check that out in the next video. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.